In this problem, we're talking about a credit card problem again. John Smith using his credit card to buy a laptop for $1,000. On the first day of the month, a 1.25% interest is added. That's 1/12 of the 15% a year, so 1.25% per month. On the 15th of every month, then he makes a payment of $50 to reduce the amount he still owes. How much does he still owe at the end of 12 months? So I started out saying he had a balance there of $1,000. Then we added the interest, 0.0125, that's 1.25%, times 1,000, and then minus 50 equals what he owes then at the end of that month. And I showed on the calculator there, I did that computation. So at the end of the first month, then he owes $962.50. Then I take the $962.50, add the same amount of interest, the 0.0125, and then subtract $50, and then it's $924.53. I'm not going to round it yet, but I'm just going to keep going with this. Now, how do you keep this going on the calculator? To keep this going on the calculator, rather than keep typing in this number, I can just say answer plus 0.0125 times the answer minus 50. And if that makes sense to you, do it that way. For some of you may say, oh, I could combine these two together and say I have the answer plus 0.0125 times the answer altogether, 1.0125 times the answer, and then minus 50. Either one of these is fine. So I'll just show the first one. I would do control answer plus 0.0125 times the answer, which is control negative sign here, minus 50. Once I've done that one time where I've typed in the answer, now all I have to do is keep pushing enter and I'll get more of the balances. So I want to find out his balance at the end of 12 months. I've already done 3 months, so this would be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So at the end of 12 months, he owes $517.74. The second part of the question then says, if John continues to pay $50 a month on his credit card bill until the balance drops below 50, and then he pays the remaining amount that he owes, how much extra did he end up paying for his laptop by using his credit card instead of cash? Well, I kept going until I got below $50. So if I go back to my calculator, that was month 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So after paying 23 months, he owed $7.85 at the end of that month. So he had paid 23 months of $50. So 23 times 50, and then plus the $7.85, altogether $1,157.85. But the laptop cost, the amount he borrowed was $1,000, the original cost of the laptop, so the remainder, $157.85, was the interest. So that is the end.